So in this video, we're going to show you how to install the pump in your washer. So in this washer, the pump mounts directly to the tub itself. And you'll see that it has a seal on here that you want to make sure is in place. If you install your pump without that seal, you're going to have a whole lot of water on the floor, which you do not want. As well, your machine may have the pump in a little different location. It may not be mounted directly to the tub. It may be mounted off your motor. It may be mounted on a bracket off to the side. But basically, the pump gets mounted in whatever format it takes to have the water coming from the tub to the pump and then going out of its outlet to your drain hose. So to install this one, we're going to insert our drain hose first. We'll take our pliers and put that clamp up into place. Now that we've done that, we'll move it up to attach it to the tub, and we'll be aligning our bolt holes with our locators on the tub. Pushing that seal up into the tub. And now we can put our bolts in. On this machine, these are 5/16 inch screws, and they're going into plastic. And it's a really great idea that when you go to put these in, instead of just starting the screw in its normal direction to tighten, back it up until you feel it drop into the threads and then tighten it. You can just drive them in, but if you're not lined up, you're going to be cutting a whole new set of threads in that plastic and basically weakening it. So just back up your screwdriver, you'll feel it drop in and then tighten it up. And last but not least, the bottom one. And now we just need to connect our electrical. Pull our cover back out of the way, line our connector up, insert it till it locks in, take our wires out of the way, snap the cover closed, and your pump is installed.